Oh my God, let's go to games night. But you're going to play with your genitals. Hey! I say. Hey! Dear parents, your children are not going to play Ludo. They are going to play lemon. Lemon 1, lemon 2 balls. Lemon 3, lemon 2 boobs. I dare you to make Amwemeka or what I can say. Ala Maka Gayosa Putana Balazi because Femi will be dead to open her blouse. And you know Femi, of course he will. Umugisi Panaragi, Ewa, Mommy and Major Games Night. Mommy, why on a phone? Ebu Kebeke, no. Always saying, Anam Games Night. Aquanico intercourse. Oh, yes. When we were as young as they are, so say hi mambo inter-house sports. Oh yes. Manakita zifobo, but inter-house sexual relations. One of the games and I want a games night. Excuse me. Oh, what can I know? No, before my mouth, you go here say okra soup they draw. You can caution your children, you will be marveled to know what is happening. Hey, Generation Z, here we say Generation X. Coding.
Never have I ever slept with my neighbor's son that is 21 years old.
Hey, who hasn't done it?
Are you new?
Are you new?
God forbid it.